Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to redeem your gift card for Spotify. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you've recently received or bought a gift card for Spotify and you'd like to claim your gift card, then here's how to do it. Open up your web browser and sign into your Spotify account, or you can simply open up your Spotify application and log into it. If you're using a web browser for that, go ahead and type in www.spotify.com and press enter. Once you're logged into your account, click on the profile drop-down at the top right-hand corner. From the pop-up, select Accounts. Right on the next page, from the left-hand side menu, select Redeem button. Now, enter the gift code number at the back of your gift card in the text box. Once you type in your PIN code, click on I'm not a robot beneath. Finally, after the Continue button activates, click on Continue in green, and that is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Spotify. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.